A shocking incident has come to light from Holpur Primary School in Vijaypur block of Shivpur district, Madhya Pradesh. In a government school, students were served midday meal on piece of waste paper instead of proper plates. The children were seen sitting on the floor and eating food in unhygienic conditions. Villagers captured the disturbing scene on their mobile phone and shared the video on social media, where it quickly went viral. The incident has sparked outrage and question over school management and food safety.
देखो जी, ना तो यहाँ पे कोई टीचर है ना कोई। आप कौन हो? आप कौन हो? कौन हो आप?
नाम तो गेस्ट है भैया, तो हेडमास्टर से ही बात
अच्छा, गेस्ट में हेडमास्टर कौन है यहाँ पे? क्या नाम है उनका?
तुम्हारे दिया है तेज सिंह जाटव मिडिल के।
हाँ।
Congress leader Rahul Gandhi shared a shocking video from Shivpur district, Madhya Pradesh, showing school children eating midday meal on waste paper instead of plates. Posting the video on X before leaving for Panchmani, he wrote, "These innocent children are the future of India, yet they are denied even a plate with dignity." Rahul is in Panchmani for a 2-day training camp of District President San will stay at Ravi Shankar Bhavan. His visit will last about 19 hours before he flies to Bhopal on Sunday morning. Before Rahul Gandhi's MP visit, Congress leaders accused the BJP and Election Commission of deleting nearly 62 lakhs names from Bihar voter list. They call it an attack on India's democracy. The party announced a nationwide protest and said a huge rally will be held at Delhi's Ramlila Maidan. Over 5 crore signatures will be submitted to the president. The press meet included Jeetu Patwari, Digvijay Singh, Umang Singhar and Sajjan Verma. Congress demanded fair elections and transparency in the voter list. The Birsa Munda Tribal Pride Festival will begin in Jabalpur on November 15th. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will address the event virtually from Delhi. Tribal Affairs Minister Vijay Shah reviewed preparation and met officials including Commissioner Dhananjay Singh. The week-long celebration will honor tribal heroes who fought for India's freedom. Various cultural shows, exhibition and awareness program will be held across the division. Security and arrangements are being checked for the grand celebration. Bageshwar Dham's Pandit Dhirendra Krishna Shastri is leading the Hindu Sanatan Ekta Padayatra 2.0. The march began from Indraprastha in Delhi. On the second day, cricketer Shikhar Dhawan and Union Minister Manohar Lal Khattar joined. The Padayatra aims to promote Hindu unity and social harmony. Thousands of followers are walking with saffron flags, singing bhajan and spreading messages of peace and faith. The Padayatra will end at the holy city of Vrindavan. A shocking videos from Dabra's Kijora area shows 2 young men being stripped and beaten brutally with belts. The attack is linked to a sand mine dispute and is said to be 2 months old. The victims pleaded for mercy while being assaulted. Gwalior SP Dharamveer Yadav has ordered a strict inquiry and assured action against the culprit. The viral video has sparked outrage among locals and human rights activists. Police are tracing all accused persons. A new row has erupted in Madhya Pradesh after Bhagavad Gita lessons started in police training centers. Muslim organization objected, demanding that Quran lessons also be included for true religious harmony. Shamsul Hassan of the All India Muslim Festival Committee said all faith must be respected equally. The order for Gita reading was issued by ADG Training Raja Babu Singh. Officials said the move aims to teach moral values, not religion. Debate continues across the state over this decision. Bhim Army and Azad Samaj Party leader Sunil Aste was booked by Bhopal police for criticizing railway management during the festival rush. He tweeted tagging the railway minister and PM, questioning where the 12,000 special train for Bihar were. Police said his post spread misinformation. Aste clarified he only raised the voice of suffering passengers facing overcrowded trains and long delays. The FIR has sparked political debate and public discussion on free speech. A cyber fraud case was filed in Bhopal after a fake social media account was created using the name of newly appointed Municipal Commissioner Sanskriti Jain. The fraudster messaged her relatives and colleagues asking for Rs 50,000 for a personal emergency. One relative grew suspicious and called Jain to confirm, exposing the scam. The commissioner informed police and urged people to verify messages before sending money. Awareness drives are being launched against online fraud. The weather in Madhya Pradesh remains clear and pleasant this evening with the temperature around 23 degrees Celsius. Skies are expected to stay clear through the night, but a noticeable drop in temperature is likely after midnight. By late night, the mercury will fall to nearly 15 degrees Celsius, and by early morning it may touch 8 to 10 degrees Celsius in several areas. People can enjoy a calm and dry evening as no rain or clouds are forecast. However, the state will experience a cool breeze in the early hours, so residents are advised to keep warm, especially in open or rural region.